Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here with the homies and stay tuned this season because we've got a bunch of cars to work on and it's been a while. We've got an EK, got a CRV, got an EG, DC2, got an MX5, got an EG, an EK, another DC2 and we've got cái thằng đầu bự. We got the homies working on the DC2 today. They're replacing the headers. What else are you guys replacing? Camber kit. We got the... I forgot what it's called in V. Huh? We got cái muỗng. And then... So, we got the boys under here doing the exhaust. They say DIY, but you know, should have just fucking paid someone to do it. Nothing but head arches.
Bro, the recam kit was in on, bro.
Nothing but headaches.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. This cart's always so loud.
Oh, tattoo and all, bro.
What a sick cunt, bro.
You from Bankstown, cuz?
No, I'm from Cabramatta. First, jack up your car. Make sure you have a trim remover.
Wire. A 2 sensor.
Today we swap the header. Yeah, do it properly. I don't even know what you're doing, but do it properly.
Okay.
Come in, fucking think I know what I'm talking about and shit.
I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing properly.
It's fucking door, right?
Don't think, just do. Why's David always got the easy job, just cleaning?
That's the job I want to do. Do that?
You got the easiest job.
Tough.
Fucking sick cunts, bro. Mad gutter rush.
Right, Dave. Need you for this. What? How high should it be?
Stiff all the way up.
All the way up. All the way up.
Adjust it the way you go. So what are we?
Then it's full sag down, not line up. The whole box now. Lift it up. I can't see it.
Am I hitting you guys?
My life is easy. I get my workers to do this for me.
Thing is, I'm like, fuck, this guy got the easy job again.
I know, man. Always got the easy job, bro.
Hey, I'm not meant to be here. I'm on maternity leave, man.
He still doesn't get it.
Yeah, I know.
Who?
You sure you're on maternity leave?
I know I'm not pregnant.
Maternity is a woman. Your paternity. Beep. Lift it up.
All you need is a brush and soapy water. You clean everything.
Make sure you have your trim remover. Where is the trim remover anyway?
But we have all these gangster trim removal these days.
Oh, nice.
How are we gonna get this up? We tore it up now.
We moved up in the world, yeah? I fucking see a ball fur.
It's my pubes, bro. My pubes, man.
My bad.
Oh, shit.
Sure enough from your chin?
From my what?
From your chin?
Does it look the same?
Very similar. But we need our fucking clothes there.
Quick, David, bro. Milk it. We need 10 minutes, man. Just pretend you're doing something.
Fuck! Wrong way, bro!
Measure it.
What happened, David?
I fucking lost it.
What happened with the exhaust?
No more different ones, this way it doesn't bolt together.
It can't full like janky rig it or some shit.
Yeah. Dodged it.
They fucking put what, 2.5 to 3 for no reason?
No, 2.5 to 2.
2.5 to 2. Let's have a look. So unlike our other videos, we're not really teaching you how to do stuff, just showing you what not to do.
Just watching our day, huh?
Không lấy cái
Oh, bro, no chair.
lấy cái hố chừng đạp lên đó.
No chair.
Oh, landmines, bro.
You want to move it up and right?
Move up a bit.
Fucking landmines everywhere.
Come here, in here.
What? Do I go in the back?
Ủa nè, bấm này nè, bấm này nè. Đó, đó.
Cái thằng Blackie này.
Oh, that stinks, man.
Vẫn tới đời cháu nữa. Hồi đó tới mẹ bịch tanh ra hốt tới đời nó. Giờ tới nó nuôi chó không hốt một con hốt tới này.
Stand with get all your thoughts.
Nah, cause like, you got supervisor manager here. Tot off combo. Stands.
Your car.
First, jack up the car.
Lini got, you had to use the accent.
Yeah, because every time we said it in the other videos, that's how we all said it. Every single time. First, jack up the car. Fuck, you row at gym or some shit?
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
Fucking chest day, bro.
this guy lifts, bro. And what not to do is to jack up the car
Oh
on...
shit.
What not to do? Perfect example.
That's fucked. The fuck's gonna go under?
Oi,
Wait,
what's
what?
under?
It is under.
Under the wheel, so I'm gonna drop the
Oh,
car
I
down.
put under the wheel. Okay. I'm gonna go get
Ready?
another one.
1, 2, 3. Dan! Yalla!
Why are you showing our dodginess?
Doesn't matter.
Come in.
This is how you do it. Backyard style.
Hold on, mate. I'll lift it up. Lift up. 1, 2, 3.
How many Asians does it take to lift up a car?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Your feet are in the way. Why don't we jack up some more?
Fuck no, it's pushing. Dirty cup, bro.
It's gonna collapse the jack!
Fuck, the wheel's sinking in.
Come on. We can do it!
I'm fucking weak, bro.
Let me try go on that side.
Alright, it's better leverage this one.
It's hard to do on that side. Like,
I can't do it this one.
I think you should just lift the wheel up. It'd be better. Yep, that's it. That's it. One more. Yep. This guy's legs are always in the way, bro.
well, what do you want me to stand? I can't stand like that.
I
I
can't
want
now.
to trip on someone.
I'm tired now.
I go home now.
Yeah, that's it. Day,
Oh, done.
day's work of done.
Thanks, guys.
Day work of done. Good England.
Yeah.
Can you pass the Matt?
Who's Matt?
Matt's a gronk!
Matt, why are you being a gronk?
Actually, take the wheels off. I take the wheels off. So it's easier. He's got it. He's got it. Huh?
Yeah, you go under here, I'll take the wheels off.
Isn't that Kevin Ewan?
Why can't you just be David Ewan?
I know what it's doing.
How about we make the David Ewan in Australia the bling bling? You gang gang cái đầu bro.
Tao quạt ra, tao quạt vô. Tao la.
Do you need to jack this up first?
Fucking Jesus Christ. Fucking, I don't know if it's worth to fucking like took out, bro.
It's a graveyard, bro. Oh my god, this is so hard to do one-handed. Where do you jack this up? From the tow hook?
Yep.
Oh my god. Cinematics.
Yeah, what's it up?
These are the two most incompetent guys here. We know what we're doing, but we like to pretend we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
You just put that one on.
From the back here.
You need to take them off both at the same time.
Yeah, after the
As well.
resonator. Yep. Take them both off. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi,
I
man.
come from Vietnam.
You're cool, man. Oh no, go away, Blackie, man. This dog. Fuck.
Blackie. Move.
Beep. Fuck, couldn't you just walk around me?
Blackie, move.
I'll look at it. I'll look at it later.
Rocket launcher, bro.
Trời,
Look like a rocket launcher.
look like, yeah.
Cái này bắn qua China rồi chứ.
Shit. Don't say that, bro. They're gonna make you go to war, man.
I don't give a fuck.
Are you gonna go war if they tell you to go war?
No.
What are you gonna do then?
Fuck, stay home.
Fuck! Sướng vậy?
Stay home with my house.
Shit.
Fuck that. Why did they go to war?
So it was a good productive day. I got all the work done. We got the headers on, we got the camber kits on, we changed the wheels out for the EG. What else did I do?
You lot, bro.
Oh yeah, we got the exhaust on as well. So changed the headers back.
No, we didn't. We changed you tater headers.
Yeah, headers back.
We changed you headers.
Engine back then.
What? You fucked up.
Yeah, change the headers
Yeah.
and then the rest of the system.
Yes.
Yeah. And what else did we do? Joy, that's so loud. Shit, man. So it was a good day. We'll see you on the next episode.